The Roku 40-inch smart TV packs fast Wi-Fi, so you can seamlessly stream your favorite shows without buffering. Are you tired of waiting around for your entertainment to load? Do you wish there was a way to get back to your show quickly and easily? This TV is the answer. With its impressive speed, you can pick up right where you left off and keep watching. No more frustration or wasted time. One of the best things about this TV is that it's incredibly easy to use. You won't need any complicated settings or instructions. Just plug in your favorite streaming devices and start enjoying your shows. And with automatic updates, you'll always have access to the latest features and apps. But what really sets this TV apart is its incredible selection of entertainment options. With over 500 free channels to choose from, including live TV, movies, and original content, you'll never be bored. Want to watch a new show? Simply browse through the Roku channel guide and find something that catches your eye. And with voice remote control, finding what you want is as simple as speaking into your TV. And did I mention the picture quality? With bright full HD resolution, every detail of your favorite shows comes alive on screen. Plus, auto speech clarity ensures you can understand every word, no matter how fast the dialogue is moving. And with night mode, you can enjoy your shows even in low-light environments. But what really gets me excited about this TV is its affordability. In a world where high-end smart TVs are often hundreds of dollars more expensive than this one, it's incredible that Roku has managed to pack so many amazing features into such an affordable package. So how does it compare to other smart TVs on the market? Well, let's just say that this one is a real standout. While pricier alternatives may have more advanced features, they often come with a higher price tag. But when you factor in the cost of those extras, this TV ends up being an absolute steal. For example, some high-end smart TVs might have 4K resolution, but that just means they're 4 times as big and require even faster internet speeds. And while they might offer more advanced features like built-in streaming apps, that's just a fancy way of saying you'll be paying more for them. This TV, on the other hand, has all the essentials without breaking the bank. So what do you say? Are you ready to experience the power of Roku in your home? With its incredible selection of entertainment options, easy-to-use interface, and affordable price tag, this smart TV is a game changer.